Hey everyone, it's Matt here. Welcome back to another episode of Savant's Tech Talk. Cryptocurrency is currently one of the most popular types of investment. Trading cryptocurrency is the act of speculating on the price of an asset by buying and selling the underlying coins on an exchange. The cryptocurrency market's decentralized, and this means it is conducted over a network of computers and is not supported by a central authority. Blockchain is the fundamental technology that powers cryptocurrency and is a peer-to-peer decentralized distributed ledger system. Now, before you begin trading and investing in cryptocurrency, you should be aware that this is a high-risk venture, especially if you don't have a good plan. If you're not cautious and have the proper strategies in place, then you can lose all of your investment capital. Trend trading, also known as position trading, is an active strategy in which an investor holds their position for a more extended period, usually a few months. If you want to be a trend trader, then you have to know directional trends and understand how to capitalize on them. Trend traders base their investment approach on fundamental research that considers events that will most likely take a long time to unfold. For this technique to be successful, the underlying assets must continue to move toward the expected future trend. However, trends can shift, and every trader should be mindful of this. You should be prepared for the possibility of a trend reversal. To boost the chances of success, traders frequently combine various technical indicators into their strategies, such as trend lines and moving averages. The next on our list is scalping. Scalping is an active strategy. It emphasizes minor changes that are repeated over and over, taking advantage of market inefficiencies such as liquidity gaps. Scalpers open and close positions quickly, often in a matter of seconds. Suppose the trader knows where to look for and how to exploit market inefficiencies. In that case, this can be a very profitable technique, and every time this occurs, they can make a modest profit, which will grow into a substantial profit if they discover several inefficiencies over time. Scalping isn't a viable strategy for novices, since it's pretty sophisticated, necessitates extensive information and awareness of how markets work, and demands exceptionally high liquidity. Now let's look at day trading. As a digital asset investor, you should be well versed in a variety of resources and strategies. And essentially, there are two types of trading methods that you can choose from. First, there's active, which demands more time and attention and requires regular monitoring. And then there's passive, which allows a more hands-off attitude. Active trading techniques are more common, and day trading is one of the most well-known active trading strategies. If you use this method, then you must enter and leave positions on the same day. Day traders look to profit on established price swings inside a single trading day, often known as intraday price movements. They generate trade ideas through technical analysis and price action. So day trading is frequently the ideal option for expert traders. Now let's look at buy and hold. If none of the active techniques appeal to you, then you can look into passive strategies like buying and holding. In this approach, investors buy a considerable amount of assets and retain them for an extended period without paying attention to market movements. It's typically utilized in long-term investment portfolios, and traders who get into it don't care about timing or entry price. They want to join in on the action. People who follow this method believe that if they're patient enough, neither the entry price nor the timing will matter. Buy and hold is usually based on fundamental research rather than technical indicators. If you choose it, then you won't have to examine the performance of your portfolio regularly, but just on occasion. Now let's look at index investing. Index investing is a passive approach that relies on buying exchange-traded funds on centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. You can establish a crypto index by creating a basket of all of your assets and then issuing a specific token that will measure the overall performance of those assets. The only criterion for this basket is that the assets have a consistent price feed. This strategy isn't really common right now, but it's likely to become more prevalent in the future because it allows for a more hands-off approach. Staking. Another method used by traders is to stake coins and tokens. They're well aligned with the diversification strategy because they produce staking rewards over time. The procedure is pretty straightforward. You purchase, lock, stake, and become a validator node in their respective network. The best aspect is that you don't need to do anything further after purchasing and locking the staking tokens. Forget about them until the next staking cycle. Also, you can sell them at any time, and their worth doesn't depreciate. And last but not least, trading bots. This is another common trading approach that is widely used. Automated trading bots are computer programs that can buy and sell crypto on their own. The fundamental goal of these bots is to generate as much profit for their users as possible. Bots trade by constantly watching the market and reacting to a specific set of predefined rules. The bots can assess numerous market factors such as price, volume, orders, and others based on the user's preferences. Investing in and trading crypto can be a risky proposition, and this does deter a lot of potential investors. But if you have the right strategies and can make sound judgments when monitoring the market, then there's nothing that stops you from being able to succeed and maybe even skyrocket your investments. So there we have it. We've looked at 7 strategies for trading cryptocurrency, from trend trading, scalping, day trading, buy and hold, index investing, staking, and trading bots. Once again, if you found this video useful or interesting, then don't forget to let us know by hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.